हंसते कट जाए रस्ते, जिंदगी यूं ही चलती रहे। खुशी मिले या गम बदलेंगे ना हम, दुनिया चाहे बदलती रहे। हंसते हंसते कट जाए रस्ते, जिंदगी यूं ही चलती रहे। खुशी मिले या गम बदलेंगे ना हम, दुनिया चाहे बदलती रहे। Hey, a warm welcome to the Heart Diaries. Well, today I've got something different to share, but it's a humble request to please don't judge, don't form an opinion before listening me completely. I would really appreciate if you could just stay tuned and listen, try to understand with an open heart, open mind. Thank you. Now let's get started. Chasing the shadows. Have you ever lost someone? Someone who was a reason of your breaths, your heartbeats? Death, pain, life, and love. Nothing is easy at times. Forget easy. It becomes killing for a few. So killing that it becomes hard to even take one step further. And they would agree with me that dying once would have still been bearable, but dying million times, that too with a smile on your face, what would you call it? How would you bear it? When you feel not just a part, but the whole of you dying inside, and there is nothing you can do to numb the feeling, the grief of death, the mourning for the special soul. So much so that in dark you start chasing the shadows, hoping the soul would reappear somehow, feeling your pain, knowing you are afraid, you are scared, frightened. Your hands long for the one who promised to hold them whenever you shiver with fear. But emptiness, hollowness, only that's what come in your hand. Is that what you were destined for? You look at the lines again and again, questioning why, and why. But hey, you forgot one thing. Yes, you forgot that the light, the soul, the shadow of whom you were desperately searching for lies inside, sparkling bright from the beautiful beats of your heart. For some never die, some remains alive, lighting up others' heart, others' world forever and ever. Eyes may behold the unshed tears, but the euphoria of memories makes you smile truly, beautifully, and magically. Isn't it special how we suddenly find the one we lost long back? The pain of years we were trying to suppress start fading away slowly. Perhaps it's the blessing of the special soul, the eternal wish to see you smile. Oh, how lovingly the star is twinkling for you. Perhaps it was also crying to see you sad, to see you without smile. Don't be lost. Love can do wonders. True love definitely can. If you have ever loved someone, then live. Live as beautifully as you can. Make your love proud every single day, every single minute, every single second. Let the love win and don't chase the shadows. Just feel the light that's sparkling bright inside you. Thank you. Signing off for now. Mahima Dua or Moni. Much love. Stay blessed and keep smiling always.